Meet the Bentley Continental GT Convertible. The walk-around begins at the front, where Bentley's signature matrix grille, twin circular headlights, and sculpted hood immediately define the look. Moving along the side, the flowing body lines, chrome detailing, and open-top profile highlight the elegant grand touring proportions. Around the rear, the wide stance, distinctive taillights, and quad exhaust outlets add a stronger, sportier character before the camera continues along the opposite side and returns toward the front. Opening the door reveals a beautifully finished tan leather cabin with dark wood trim and polished metal accents. The camera moves across the front seats, showing the detailed stitching and sculpted upholstery, then into the rear seating area where the same premium leather finish continues. Moving forward again, the passenger side dashboard and center area combine leather, wood veneer, and polished trim. The driver's cockpit follows with a leather-wrapped steering wheel and traditional analog gauges taking center stage. A closer look at the center stack reveals the infotainment display, climate controls, gear selector, and Bentley's signature polished switches. The camera then returns to the passenger seat, highlighting the perforated leather, stitching, and power seat controls. Finally, the video moves back outside for a close look at the polished multi-spoke wheels, Bentley center caps, and bright red brake calipers. Elegant, refined, and unmistakably Bentley, the Continental GT Convertible